So over here, you can see that I have an animation document. And if I were to click on this, you can see its keyframes right here on the dope seed area. So if I were to go around and press the space bar, you can see that the animation plays out with its regular speed. But if you want to change the type of animation, you can change the type of keyframe. So in order to show you how that actually works I'm just going to go around and select all the keyframe by clicking and dragging my mouse around it. So if I were to go around and then press, let's say for example, press T on my keyboard, then I can change it into constant. And now what happens is that you can see that you only have the keyframes. You do not have the in-between animation. So if you want to do, let's say, a stiff animation like a stop motion animation or something, then you can do that out. You can go around and press T on your keyboard, and you can also go around into linear. So once you do that, what happens is that you got more of a linear animation. You got no easing in and easing out. So everything is in a constant motion. You can go around and press T on your keyboard, go around into Bezier, and what that does is that now the animation is much more smoother. That means in the beginning, there's a bit of an acceleration and a bit of deceleration at the end. You can go around and press T, and now you have different options like easing right here, and then choose the type of easing you want to work with. And similarly, you can see that the easing works around accordingly. So you can experiment around with the options that you have right here. So there's up, down, and press T right here. There's like back just like this. So just like this, there's like a back right here, which is like a bouncing effect, as you can see right there. Press T on your keyboard, you got the bounce as well. So there's like a bounce and there's another bounce. Press T right here, go to elastic, and this is what you have. You got more like an elastic type of a move as well. And that is how you can work around with the types of keyframes inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.